What's more important, a post that gets you 1,000 new followers or one that gets you 100 new leads? Most people chase followers because they think that's the route. They think that more followers equals more money. But the truth is, followers don't pay your bills, leads do. So that's what you want to focus on. You want to focus on getting more leads. So the harsh reality is you can have 10,000 followers and still struggle to make money. But with just 500 leads, you can make an average of $500 a month. And that's even with a low ticket offer. So if you want to make more than $500 a month, you get 1,000 leads, $1,000 a month, 10,000 leads, $10,000 a month. So leads is the name of the game. And so we have a lot to learn today. So be sure to take notes and save this video so you can refer back to it. So what you'll learn today is kind of three big things. You're going to learn what a lead magnet actually is and why that's the missing piece in your strategy. How to start creating lead magnets immediately, even if you don't know what will or will not work, and the importance of experimenting with multiple lead magnets to find out what actually converts your audience, right? So for those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Erin Jacques, a professor in informatics and biostatistics with a doctorate from Columbia University. I spent years studying AI and applying it to business strategies, and beyond the academic world, I built a debate academy, and what I've learned along the way is really that success isn't about chasing trends. It's about aligning with your strengths and leveraging the right tools using AI. All right, before we dive into how AI can help supercharge your lead magnet strategy, let's take a step back, and I'm going to have you answer an important question. What is a lead magnet, and why is it important? And why is it so powerful? So very simply, a lead magnet is your most powerful content strategy. It is a free, valuable resource that people get in exchange for their emails or contact information. So some people most lead magnets are free. Every so often you'll see someone that has a lead magnet and they have a price associated. Usually it's a low price tag associated with the lead magnet. But it is a valuable resource that you are giving out in exchange for someone's email address. And it helps for a number of things. It turns random viewers into actual leads that you can nurture, and then you'll be able to sell to them later. And if you're ever questioning why you actually need one, followers can disappear, right? Because algorithms change, accounts get banned, lost engagement. Leads are an asset. You can control your email list, and it allows you to monetize anytime. All top brands use lead magnets. So Netflix use free trials, discounts, exclusive access. Anything you can think of has lead magnets. So I'll give you an example. Imagine you're a fitness coach. You post great content, but people scroll past it. Now imagine you offer a free AI-generated 7-day meal plan in exchange for their email. Suddenly, you're not just getting views, you're capturing leads who want your actual help. So now that we know what a lead magnet is and why it's essential, the next question is, how do you know which lead magnet will actually work best? And that's where I'll say most people get stuck. Because the biggest mistake that most people make is that they try one lead magnet. It doesn't work and then they give up. They're like, I won't do another one, right? The truth is not every lead magnet will convert equally, right? You need to test different ones to see what your audience actually wants. And it just takes time to find that right secret sauce, right? So you have to engage in lead magnet testing, and that is a strategy. So you create at least 3 lead magnets in different formats, test them on different platforms that you may have, and then track which one gets the most opt-ins and engagement. You might find that you created 3 and nothing happens. So 3 is not like the absolute number. That's like the starting point. You're going to create many more than 3 lead magnets. You're just going to keep creating them until you find the one that works. So let's get into how to use AI to actually create your lead magnets. Take out pen, paper, because this prompt is all that you'll need. So the prompt is, I help, and you put target audience with specific problem or goal. You insert that. Their biggest struggles are, you list top 2 to 3 pain points. They really want, you list their top 2 to 3 desires or goals. Based on this, generate 5 lead magnets that would be irresistible to them. Each lead magnet should, and you want to be very specific about this. You want to say it should solve a specific pain point quickly, be easy to consume, either checklist, template, quiz, swipe file, align with their biggest struggles or desire. Also suggest the best format, PDF, Notion template, AI tool, etc., and a compelling title for each. And I'm going to go through An example. So an example for health coaches. So let's assume that I have this prompt. I might write, I help busy professionals lose weight without strict dieting using AI powered meal planning. The biggest struggles are, I'm going to then list them, right? I want to make sure that that's clear. That they don't have time to cook. They struggle with meal variety and consistency. They find it hard to stick to a plan. So that I've already set the stage, right? And then I'm going to say, here's what they really want. They want fast, healthy meals that they can make in minutes. They want a done for them system that removes decision fatigue. And they want a way to lose weight without feeling restricted. So based on this, I want you to generate 5 lead magnets that would be irresistible to them. Each lead magnet should, and you want to, again, say very specifically, solve a specific pain point quickly, be easy to consume, and you say checklist, template, quiz, all that stuff, and then align with their biggest struggles or desires. And then also suggest the best format. Should I have it in a PDF? Should I have it in a Notion template? Should I have an AI tool? And look at what AI spits out. AI spits out a AI-powered 5-minute planner, Notion template with meal suggestions. That's 1. 2, busy professional healthy eating sheet. 3, what's your ideal AI meal plan? A quiz that suggests a meal plan based on lifestyle. 4, 7-day AI-generated meal plan for weight loss, PDF. And then 5, 3 AI hacks to automate grocery shopping and meal plans, swipe file, etc. Now, what I like the best is 3. I like the quiz because a quiz, you can easily create that on a custom GPT. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can use how you can actually create a quiz on a custom GPT. For those of you who have taken my previous lessons, you already have that information, so you can be able to create that custom GPT without any help from me, really, because you understand how to enter the information, you know what questions to ask, and you know how to customize it to make it work for you. So now you have everything you need to creating AI-powered lead magnets that will generate leads on autopilot. But here's the real key and the real implementation. Your audience is waiting for you to show up with something valuable. So which lead magnet are you going to create first? Let me know in the comments or drop leads in the chat if you want a custom AI-generated lead magnet idea from me. Bye for now.